yum.
B-R-O.
Oh, look at his mouth. Yeah.
Which way does Zippo go in the museum?
Oh, Granny.
Which way?
Oh, that's good.
Okay.
Give me some of that. Give Grandma some of that.
B-R-O.
Eating. Ah. Ah.
So,
Oh, this
what?
good, Granny.
E-O.
Oh.
B-R.
Okay.
Yeah. Come on.
Open the hatchet.
Open the hatchet. Let the airplane in. You need a Northwest open today. Open up. Here we are. Oh, I like my taters like my grandma. I like my taters.
It's just laying in his mouth eating.
I know, swallow. You little winky. I love you.
Honey, you close the.
I love that baby.
It's like playing in Dallas Stadium.
Grandma, I love that baby. Yeah, I love that baby.
Thank you.
Grandma.
Look at that bottom one.
Look at that mess. Come on, let's swallow it.
Doesn't like it.
I got it back in the valley there.
You just gotta keep.
Shoving it
That's
in.
the way he is. You don't like it.
Ooh, that light.
It's gonna stop in a second.
Eating, come on, darling. Ooh. Is this gonna take an hour?
Uh-huh.
My back's hurt. Daddy, I see you shove it in. You shove it in a mile a minute. How come I can't?
You've had a lot more experience feeding babies than I have.
Give it a minute. How many years?
Why are you looking at me?
That's not true. You fed Trisha,
Why are
you
you
fed
looking at the
Carrie.
bubba who's doing homework?
He
Huh?
loves you.
I
said
have to do
Travis.
2 more sentences.
Hasn't been that many years, Mom.
Oh yeah, that's right. That's right. I didn't have. Daddy took care of
Valerie.
us one day.
Rowley. Sally. Lowry.
Sick.
Think. Think on that.
I
Think
don't
on
like his messy face. Grandma don't like messy faces. 'Cause then, oh yeah.
Mommy, is this
Are you
called
mixing
Skipper?
up or just?
No. Oh, no.
Mommy, is Skipper? Skipper? Okay. Sometimes people call the captain of a boat skipper.
Uh-huh. That's correct.
Yeah.
You have to speed this up. I'm running out of batteries.
Come on. Come on.
But just get what you can, and that's all.
Billy.
He's looking at
He's working with Travis now. Billy.
Travis,
This
go
way.
do that at the table, please.
If I give you one sneeze, this is going everywhere.
So we're standing back here.
My baby gonna get it.
We're not in the spray zone.
Come on. Hey, the baby. Damn, you spit it out fast as I put it in there, Danny. Come on, Billy. You're not a potato boy yet, huh?
He's not a food boy.
Yeah, you gotta get this. Grandma like that. Ooh, what a messy face, Grandma, but ooh, it's good. Yeah, I like it. I like it too much. Come on, Billy. Oh, you little rascal. You little rascal. Come on and swallow. Good boy. Mix it with a little of that and it softens it up, huh? Yeah. And you know what's going up in your nose?
It's coming out the other end.
I just want your mom to spit.
Crummy kid.
Bad crummy kid.
My back kills me already.
We tried his high chair, but he's too short.
Oh yeah, he's too good.
How do you spell captain, Mommy?
TAPTAIN.
Yeah. Come on. I'm still pushing in. You. Eat it. That's one spoon I've been playing with over a while. Yeah, that's the boy. You might have a little bit in you. Come on, baby. You was hungry.
Boat. BOAT.
Hey, but you don't know how to spell them words?
You're gonna have to
He
start.
he spells the big words and just spell the little ones.
He's gonna have to start making sentences that he can spell.
Yeah. Oh, Scotty nose looks like dumbbell. Yanny? Winnie Woo, what's that? Winnie Winnie Woo? What you want? You want my fingers? I don't like this there. You're a little squirt. Here we go. Here we go. I want to feed him with a good spoon.
Okay. Oh, the $200 spoon?
Yeah.
Maybe it'll taste better to him.
Like I said, I fed a kid with a 200.
A baby, not even a kid, a
Baby.
baby.
My angel. Grandma's angel.
Yeah.
Yeah, angel pudding. That's what it is. Angel pudding. Give me some more, Grandma.
How's that?
Oh, that's so good,
I
Granny.
don't know.
Granny, that's-
You can't spell any of those words, so
Still.
Yeah. Oh, I like this. I like potatoes, Grandma. Ooh, potatoes make me fat. Oh, Irish potatoes. Ooh, good old Irish potatoes. He choked on that one.
I picked
That's a pretty little boy, Granny. Yes, it is. Come on. That's an angel. Yes, it is. Mmm. Yeah. What? Tell me. Open wide. Ah. Good boy. Good boy. We should be through with our taters. I'll be glad when we're through with these taters. Yeah.
So will he.
Yeah.
hi.
Yeah, that's good, Granny. Oh, yeah. I love this. Oh. Is this homemade squash?
No. Speaking of which. He's done.
Squash it. Squash it down. Mmm. Squash it down. Say, that's better. I like that better. Yeah, you
And
like
Valley
that
is
better.
nice. Valley is one of my challenges. How's that?
Yeah, I like that too.
How's that, Mommy?
What are you doing?
And Valley is nice.
Yeah. That's better, huh?